The jungle is alive with color, sound, and movement. Vines twist through towering trees, mist rises from the river below, and sunlight filters through the dense canopy. In this vibrant world, survival depends on wit, agility, and instinct. Today's tale follows a small hero, a green jungle frog, clever, nimble, and unusually fearless. Its opponent, a massive python, silent, patient, and deadly. This is the story of how intelligence overcame sheer size in the wild. Chapter 1: A Calm Morning. The frog hops along a mossy log, tongue flicking at insects, eyes wide and alert. The jungle hums around it, the distant roar of a jaguar, the chatter of monkeys, and the rustle of unseen snakes. From above, in the branches, the python lies coiled, nearly invisible. Its tongue tastes the air, sensing prey below. The frog, unaware of its looming danger, continues its hunt. Chapter 2: Sensing Danger. Suddenly, a shadow sweeps over the log. The frog freezes. The python's massive body slithers silently along the branch, preparing to strike. A flash of instinct runs through the frog. It knows it must act. Speed alone won't save it. It must think. Chapter 3: The First Strike. The python lunges, fangs bared, eyes cold and calculating. The frog jumps, narrowly escaping, splashing into a shallow pool. But the snake is quick, following, constricting, relentless. The frog dives under a floating leaf, hiding its vibrant green body. The python pauses, sensing the elusive prey, trying to locate the moving target. Chapter 4: Outwitting the Predator. The frog moves silently, using every leaf, shadow, and ripple of water to mask its presence. It circles the python, calculating its next move. The jungle is alive with distractions, insects buzzing, birds calling. The frog uses these to its advantage, hopping between shadows and water currents. The python strikes again, misjudging the frog's position, its massive body crashing into reeds. Chapter 5: Clever Escape. The frog leaps onto a branch above the water, staying just out of reach. It eyes the python carefully. Then it notices a hollow log filled with water. With a daring move, the frog dives inside the log. The python lunges and misses, striking only air and moss. The frog waits, breathing slowly, hidden, heart pounding. Its strategy works. Patience and cunning protect it. Chapter 6: A Test of Patience. The python coils, strikes repeatedly, but cannot access the frog inside the log. Hours pass. The frog remains calm, calculating its next move, observing the snake's pattern. Finally, the python retreats, slithering silently through the jungle, leaving the log untouched. Victory comes not through force, but intelligence. Chapter 7: Lessons of the Jungle. The frog emerges, soaked but triumphant. It hops to safety, leaping over rocks and leaves, eyes wide and alert. The jungle is unforgiving. Here, size and strength matter, but cleverness and strategy are often stronger. This tiny frog has proven that the wild favors those who can think as fast as they move. Chapter 8: Reflection. From high branches to the river floor, the jungle watches quietly. Every predator, every prey, every leaf and shadow tells a story. The frog's tale will be repeated in the whisper of the wind, a legend of courage, wit, and survival. Chapter 9: Closing the Day. The sun sets, painting the jungle in fiery oranges and deep shadows. The frog settles near a calm pool, breathing, vigilant, alive. The python disappears into the undergrowth, patient, waiting for its next meal. Life continues in cycles of hunt, escape, and survival. Chapter 10: Closing Shot. Camera pans wide, dense jungle with flowing river, mist rising, distant animal calls. The frog sits atop a mossy rock, the victor of a small but epic battle. The jungle whispers its eternal rhythm: life, death, and clever survival.